Ah, this one is so pretty too. Look at this, and this is just water. But, you know, you put a better finish, you can see a lot cooler pieces. Cap means is the outside of the bubble. So very thick. This is about 4.5 inches thick. Hey you guys, it's been really hot and humid here, so I have not really spent that much time in the shop. But the good news is tomorrow they're starting framing at my new shop. And what does one do when it's hot and humid and they can't work in the shop? They go on the computer and purchase wood. So that's what we do today. Today we're unboxing some wood I purchased from NWTimber. I have purchased from them before, if you remember. We got those beautiful mystery boxes. I think I unboxed like 6 of them. And I was very happy with their purchase. And this time I bought some burls from it. So I want to unbox this and share with you guys. Then I'm going to go back inside to the air conditioning. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. All right, let's see what we got. So this piece is 22 inches long, about 19 wide, and 1 5/8 thick. Again, some miter wood. I will spray it with some water just so we can see what it looks like. Let me find a water bottle. I've been doing a lot of epoxy projects lately, and that is because, well, it's too hot to be in the shop and I pour most of the epoxy in the house. So I've been doing a lot of that. Oh, look at the grain on this one. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. I cannot wait to use this. So this is miter wood burl. The next one, it's a maple burl, and this is a cap. Cap means is the outside of the bubble. So very thick. This is about 4.5 inches thick. I can slice it and make lots of them. So I can use it for many, many projects. And you can see, let's spray this one. The burl, it has all those eyes. And I can get easily 3 epoxy boards from this, maybe 4 because I have the top part too. So that is a maple burl. And then I got another miter wood burl, another really thick one, looks like this. Really cool piece of wood. I like it when it has these gnarly edges. It makes it so much more interesting on a charcuterie board than just having plain kind of flat, you know, live edge. I'm gonna spray this one with some water. Ah, this one is so pretty too. Look at this, and this is just water. But, you know, you put a better finish, you can see a lot cooler pieces. Really nice. So that's the front. This is the back. Really cool grain. And this one is, let's see. This one 19.5 inches long, about 11 inches wide, and 2 1/8 thick. So really big chunk. I will definitely resaw this in half and make 2 boards with this. So those are the pieces I bought from them, but then it looks like they sent me some free stuff as well. So super happy with that. They sent me another burl, and you can see it says free. It was a nice gift. So thank you, Sarah, for the gift. And that is another maple burl cap. And then also 2 more free baby burls. And I'll be using these thin ones to make crosses. I made one just the other day. I'll put a picture over here. So that's what I use these thin pieces for. So thank you for the gift. And then one other gift they have sent me. They sent me a little bag here. They have sent me a nice hat. I love it. Thank you. I don't usually wear hats, but there you go. Now we have a hat. And Oh, this is funny. You know what they sent me? They sent me a Stanley tape measure, and this is funny because I went through probably 8 different kinds of tape measure until I found one that I love, and that is the one I love. I use this all the time. I think I have like 6 of them around. It's my favorite tape measure because it's small, it's perfect, it's accurate, it's durable, and they sent me one of the one I love. So thank you very much. I'm not sure which piece of wood should I use for my next project. I really like this burr. I think it's so pretty. I might try this one just because I'm so curious to see what it will finish like. If you have any suggestions on what color epoxy will work with this color wood the best, please write it down in the comments below, since I've never done an epoxy project with miter burr. So write it down and I'll take it under consideration. Now I will have to tell you, when you go to their website to purchase something and you look for burrs and whatever, you will see some crazy big prices. Do not let that scare you. Keep going through every page. That's what I did, and I purchased the 3 big pieces. I purchased it with my own money. And when you go there, keep looking through it because you will see pieces that are $100 some each. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for these guys, but they were like between $100 and $200 per piece. And as you can see, I can make a few projects from every one piece. So be patient, go through the pages, and you'll find lots of amazing stuff at the NWTimber. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.